Naglalakad, knocking on the base. Zenith main. Isang magandang play lang dito. May suplex na ba siya? Wala pa siyang suplex na pwedeng gawin. Yun na nga, popping up
Tempest
the
suplex.
ultimate. Tempest suplex at the same time. And of course, Zaman Force, the burst has been initiated. Pero matitake down dito yung nung wala sa oras. And now with that 2 kills so far for 7 International, anong magiging possible retaliation play? Recta base na lang tayo dito. It doesn't matter. Zenith main will get the first game.
Ang ganda ng reversal win na nakuha syempre ng Zenith main to secure the game number 1. 17 International, maganda na yung naging nila, fight back nila, nakuha nila yung tamang spacing, but the crucial moment tingko, maganda lang talaga yung nagiging mga pickups ng Shoja na ito. Dinideliver niya to through Tsunami Slam, and the rest of the team lagi nakalayer yung Eternal Guard ni Shareshi, si Ryuken. Very explosive din yung pagpapakawala ng Summon Force na mas nabibigyan niya ng espasyo yung mga kakampi niya na talagang makapag-free hit at makabuelo during the team fights. Pero si Mursa din yung crucial player doon kasi